France was a beacon for civil liberties and rights for a long time. This might no longer be true after March 23rd. The French National Assembly approved AI video surveillance during the 2024 Paris Olympics. To justify the technology, Stephane Mazars, an MP with Macrons Renaissance Party, said that in front of the whole world, France will need to rise to meet the greatest security challenge in its history. France has had multiple terror events in its recent history, all of which beat the state of officials to act. The question is whether this minority report-inspired approach is the right way. The government says algorithmic video surveillance can detect predetermined events, abnormal behavior and crowd surges, helping ensure the safety of millions of tourists who are expected to flood the French capital next summer. Yes, it sounds like Minority Report, and Tom Cruise is busy with Top Gun, so he's not here to save us. Even if France's privacy watchdog, CNIL, is supporting the bill under the condition that no biometric data is treated, other rights groups such as Amnesty International and digital rights groups are opposing it. They believe that the technology possesses a threat to civil freedoms and draws a dangerous line in the sand. An additional reason for concern is the fact that France is the first of the European countries that is considering using AI for this purpose. Even if they might have the motivation with the multitude of attacks in recent history, adopting it would set a dangerous precedent, especially as the EU is still working on its AI Act, a landmark piece of EU legislation governing the use of artificial intelligence in Europe that has been in works for over 2 years. Once a symbol of citizen rights, France manages to shake not one symbol of freedom and unity, but two with just one bill. Worried yet? You should be. This was Olimpiu reporting from London, the capital of another former EU member that decided to create a worrying precedent.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.